इससे पहले कि आज की रेसिपी आप वॉच करें, मैं बताना चाह रही हूँ कि आज की रेसिपी इंग्लिश में रिकॉर्ड हुई थी। उसकी वजह कुछ यूँ है कि ये रेसिपी रिक्वेस्ट थी फ्रॉम एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नाम है आशा फॉर वुमेन, जो कि हेल्प और सपोर्ट करती है साउथ एशियन वुमेन की जो अब्यूसिव रिलेशनशिप में हैं, और इसके अलावा एल्डरलीज़ के लिए भी उनके पास हेल्प एंड सपोर्ट का सिस्टम है। मैं बहुत ऑनर्ड हूँ कि मुझे इस इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेशन का मौका मिला, और ये एक जूम इवेंट था जिसमें मेरी रेसिपी का भी एक पार्ट था। तो आप भी इंजॉय करें इस रेसिपी को जैसा कि उन लोगों ने भी इंजॉय किया था। अस्सलामु अलैकुम। My name is Jabeen, aka DJ. Welcome to Ek Recipe. Today's recipe is chicken fajitas. This dish can be eaten in so many ways. Like you can eat it with rice, my way, and you can eat with tortilla, roll in a tortilla, or homemade roti which is called chapati, and enjoy it. So let's go make chicken fajitas. So for our chicken fajitas, we are going to marinate the chicken for just a bit. And to start with the marination, I'm going to add like 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Just coating the chicken here. My chicken here is 1.5 pounds, and it's boneless thighs that I cut it in a small strips. You can see these are strips. So yep, and my electric pan is heating up here at 350 for my vegetables to saute, and in the meantime we are doing this, and by the time our chicken is going to marinate, our vegetable will be ready and we will add them together. So now other ingredients for marination is 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon red crushed pepper, half a teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and 1 teaspoon garlic powder. These are all going in at once. Wonderful. So just mix them, coat them little bit. We don't have to marinate for too long. Until my vegetable is ready, I will, after my vegetable is done sauteing, I'm going to put this in the pan. It's very quick, supposed to be quick. Chicken fajitas are supposed to be easy and quick. So my electric pan is heated up at 350, and now I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of oil here. There you go. And my vegetables here, it's 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, and 1 yellow bell pepper, and half a onion, red onion. These are all, I try to cut them in a almost same shape, long shape, like this, and these are all going in the pan at once. Ooh, love the sizzling sound. Our goal is here to keep the vegetables crisp. So we are not going to cook it for so long. I'm going to add chicken. I don't need to even wash it. It's perfectly fine. So I'm not putting any oil in the pan because I put the oil in the chicken, remember, in the beginning. So my chicken is going in, and since these are boneless thighs and they cook quickly, so I don't need to, like do it for long. This is also going to be very quick. have to add this chicken cube. It's optional. If you want to add it, it's good. I like it, just to more enhance the chicken, chicken flavor. So this is chicken cube, and that's it. I'm going to cook like until my alarm goes off, and I still have 2 minutes. I set the alarm for 5 minutes. Now I still have 2 minutes. So I'll see you in 2 minutes. So my timer is just turned off and my chicken looks ready and delicious already. So we have to add these vegetables in it and let them cook for like together for not more than 1 minute. Let's see, so that all the seasoning and juices from the chicken incorporate with the vegetable. My chicken fajitas are ready, and I'm not going to cook it anymore, but I'm going to taste the salt so that I can add it if I want to. If you're not using the chicken cube, salt and chili powder is your own preference, but just to make sure, if you are adding the chicken cube, add the less salt in the beginning. I don't need any more seasoning, it's perfect. So I'm going to take it out in a serving dish. So now is my favorite time, which is testing time. So let me put some green onion on top. Not that it needs any more beautification, but just for the sake of plating. Here we go. And now I am going to make a tortilla roll out of these chicken fajita. I just grill my tortilla on a griddle. It's just to look nice. Here we go. Now you can use shrimp, you can use tofu, you can use anything of meat of your choice in this for the fajitas. Here we go. And now some pieces of avocados. And last is a dollop of sour cream. Oh boy. Let's try it. I am going to secure the end. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Seasoning is perfect. The creaminess of avocados and sour cream and the spicy chicken fajita with crisp vegetable. Absolutely delicious. Try this and enjoy it. If you like my recipe, like it, give it a thumbs up and share it. And if you are new to it, subscribe it. Just remember, taste in your food doesn't come from the ingredient. It comes from the love and compassion. So always cook with your heart. For more recipes like this, we'll be seeing you soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz.